All right, gang, what's going on? What's happening? Welcome. Profitable day. Gold made a run up, and Nasdaq tanked. Looking at Nas real quick. Yeah, we caught this massive drop here on the Nasdaq. Caught about 200 points or so, 227 points on that. So, yeah, definitely a good day. The New York session for us today. Let me take a look at gold here. Let me mark these levels up real quick, and then I'm ready to take positions here. Let's see what we got going here. Take a look. Let me move it over to the 1 hour. All right, gang, this is where we're at here. So I'm in a buy position here, and the reason for the buy is I was expecting this level to be respected. Let me move this down slightly here. There we go. All right. So as you can see, this previous 1 hour closed above respecting, and we should see a move up, and so far we are. I might have a short leash on this trade here, though. Might be going break even rather quickly, so I'll be monitoring this as we go along. Now we did close bearish, though we respected. You know, we came down, made a bottom wick first, and now we're pushing up. So we're currently up 12 pips, guys. I'm going break even on this trade right now. Not taking any chances. If it's gonna run up, it'll run up. But we're up 13 pips, 14 pips now. So let me just move my stops there. All right. See if we can get a push up. Once we tap in there, we're gonna, there we go. All right, I took partials there, guys. I already let my group chat know, but we're running up here. Not bad, 18 pips profit right now. Make sure you move your stops to break even, guys. Eliminate any risk, cover for spreads, and yeah, you can take some partials now if you want as well. I got a runner, holding my runner to see if we can drive further up, but secured my profits already, so not bad. We're currently running 20 pips, 22 pips now. Yeah, we're running up. All right, gang. Yeah, looks like we're kind of coming down here. Let's see if we're gonna continue to push up, or are we gonna come down and take out these lows here. Let's see. Look at the 4 hour. Yeah, the 4 hour closed bearish, but it closed respecting, as I said before, respecting this support level here. Now, if we come down, we might take out these 4 hour lows. If we do that, we come down and sweep the lows here, then we can see or drive down. I mean, we had a massive run up, so we might be coming back down or test these levels if we come back down here. So it looks like I might hit that break even. It's trying to come down. If it comes down, I'll keep an eye on the lows here. If we sweep the lows here, I might consider taking positions to the downside. But I'll have to see how the candles print. Let's wait and see if we're going to drive up here. What I'm looking at here, if we look at this 4 hour, right, we're looking at somewhat of a flag formation here. There we go. So we got this flag pattern here. If we kind of stay in this range here off the 1 hour, you know, we break below, like I said, if we sweep the lows, then yeah, it's possible we'll come down and retest this level down here. Because I mean, we did have a massive spike to the upside with CPI news today. So, you know, it's possible this thing might want to, you know, kind of retrace back a little bit. It makes sense to come down and test these lows down here. But if we remain in this range here, come down, flip back up. If we remain in this level here, once we break out of this triangular pattern here, we should see a continuation, especially if we break above this this resistance level here. You might see a push all the way up. Bring this down a little bit. Right around that 2417.93 level. Once we break above that, we should see a push to the upside. What would our targets be up here? Let's go into the looking left. I mean, a lot of choppiness up here too, but we got plenty of targets up here. We have this level up here on 24.26, and then the high 24.40, and of course the wick fill at the all-time high at 24.50. So it's possible we'll come up to 24.50. But this current trade I had, you know, I just had the wick fill here at 24.25, so that's what I was targeting, and get the wick fill there. But let's see. If we get stopped out at break even, we'll wait and see. Oh, there you go. Okay, I got hit at break even, guys. I'm out. All right, so this candle flipped here. That might be that 4 hour flip now here. So Let's see. We take out the lows. I'm taking a position here, guys. All right, I have a sell stop here at 2410, 2410.96. Ooh, almost activated me there. No, not activated yet, guys. Oh, I'm activated there. Okay, just got activated on a sell. There we go. Yeah, we running now. Yeah. Bring these stops a little lower here, of course. The stops are going to be at the re-break of the highs right above this high here, right there. And I'll be targeting this wick fill down here, about 23.95, 96. All right, guys, I'm in sells right now. Caught the flip here. Yeah, we got in at the break of the previous 4-hour lows here. So once we broke the previous 4-hour lows, we took our entry there. Our stops are above the current candle highs. Above the current candle highs. Yeah, we running. Oh yeah, look at that nice drop. All right. We take out the lows here. Yeah, we took out these lows. All right, guys, I'm going break even here again. Right there. All right, move stops to break even. Nice. But the push up, then the push right back down. Not taking any chances though. We already took out the previous lows and we just took out these lows here. gonna get stopped out. Break even. There we go. See if we get that drive down. Sweet. You know, we're gonna survive this. Once we came by and swept these lows here, once we took out the previous 4-hour lows, we should drive down. I'm gonna get stopped out here. Ooh, still alive here. Let's see if it'll push down. Oh, almost. I'm like pip and a half. Oh, all right, I got stopped out of BE, guys. All right, this thing could still drive down. Let's see if we're gonna flip back in. But if we come back in and flip bullish, if we do come back down, I'll take an entry, another entry here. Let's see. All right, either way. Let's see. Moved over to the 1 hour. I want to see. I'll wait for this 1 hour closure now. So what I want to see is if we do flip back in and close back in the range here, then I'll be considering some buy positions perhaps. But if we remain bearish and close below, then I'll look for positions at the break of the lows here. See what happens. All right, that was worth a shot though. We were up about 11 pips. We already took out the lows on the 4 hour here, so I would expect a continuation to the downside, but we'll have to wait and see. Yeah, off the 30-minute, we have we have a support level around 2408. I want to see if there's any other significant traffic. Nothing to the left here. All right. Yeah, we had that massive push up. Let's see. It's trying to push back into the range here. I want to see if we already took out these wick lows here, so it's possible we could continue down. Maybe we re-break the lows here. For the stops here. Okay. You know what, gang? We pull back up again after retesting these lows again. I'm taking a position off the rip. We broke the lows here. I'll wait for another pullback if we get one, and then I'm taking the entry right away. Let's see, we pull back up. Oof, now we're driving. Oh, I want to drive some more. Oof. Yeah, we might come down this wick here. So we can drive another 40, 50 pips here. Don't entry yet. It drives, it drives. Is that off the 30-minute? Yeah, we're right at this resistance off the 30-minute here. Let me mark this up here just so we can you know, have that guide there. I want to see how it reacts here at this 30-minute resistance, 30-minute support level, sorry. We reject from here, you know, then let's see, we got 19 seconds left on this candle. I want to see if it's going to respect this level here, and then we can get a push up. Then I'll go back into the 1 hour and see. Yeah, it looks like we're respecting here. 5 seconds. Yeah, we're bouncing a little bit further up now here. All right, yeah, so we close respecting this support level. Let's see. You give me a top wick, I'll take an entry here. Yeah, there we go. We're getting the top wick here. That's the push up I want. We'll get a little bit more of a top wick here. But the 30 might flip here. We flip and take out the previous 30-minute lows. We should be in there. So we're coming down here. If we break the lows, I'm getting in. Market execution. Not yet. We break. No, not yet. I might get in around 2408, just below the previous 30-minute lows here. I want to see if it's going to break the low. All right, gang, I'm in there. Yep. All right. That was my entry, 2408. Target that wick fill down there. All right. And stop loss is above. What was that 4 hour? Actually, it's a little higher, just above the 4 hour highs. Yeah, so right around 23.15. All right. That's our trade there. Now we wait. All right, we're in the blue, gang. Took another entry here at the re-break of the 30-minute lows. So once this candle flipped up, made a top wick, now came down, rebroke the previous 30-minute lows, we should see a continuation to the downside here. Mark this up here. Yeah. Yeah, gang, this was our playbook setup here. Looking off the 30-minute, we were in this range here. We have our support, we have our resistance levels here. Now we came down, broke and closed below. Next candle made a top wick. When it rebroke the lows, we took our entry and got in. I got the stops above these current candle highs off the 1 hour. And if this candle decides to reflip and re-break its own high, we want to get out of this trade. We want to be out of it regardless. So That's you know, applying that risk management, you know, minimizing you know, major losses. And again, once you re-break the in this case the current candle highs, that's an indication that this is probably going to flip back up. But again, we took the sell off the 30-minute. Once the 30-minute closed and broke below support and closed below, waited for that top wick, re-break of the previous 30 lows, and we got it. Now we have about 15 minutes left excuse me, off this 1 hour. And again, same support level. If this 1 hour also closes bearish below, then we're in good shape to hold. Next candle might come up, make a top wick. You know, perhaps, you know, we'll see some more drawdown on the next 1 hour candle opening. We'll take it from there and see. If we come back up to this level here, I'll tell you this. If we come back up just around this resistance area here, you know, we still manage to close below, but we make a nice little pullback and still close below that support level. I'm gonna look for pineapple entries here. But again, you know, you don't have to take pineapple entries just because I did it. You know, I'm opening a secondary position on my personal account, so you know, you guys you know, make sure you know your leverage. You guys know what balances you have, the free margin you have, you know, what lot size you use on this current trade. You know, you might not be able to take a pineapple because you don't want to over leverage, right? You know, you got to manage risk properly. So, but our playbook setup, you know, presented itself and we executed. Now we wait for the results. Win or lose, we did the right thing. So all good here. This current 1 hour candle, you know, we definitely wanted to close below the support now that it broke below. It's about 13 minutes left. I mean, 13 minutes is a lot of time. This thing can pull right back up and close back in the range. And we'll look to manage risk at that point. If we close back in the range and close bullish, then I might be jumping out early on that trade. But, you know, as long as we close below, we should see some continuation to the downside here. Let's see. We definitely want to have a bottom wick here, time of closure, because we want to have some range to move down. Well, we got 10 minutes, guys. Let's see what happens. Be patient.